Hello YouTubes! Welcome back, Haunt fam. It is damn near a full moon, almost midnight. We got us a big old box to unbox from Midnight Studios Effects. Let's do it. Okay YouTube, so we have here our Midnight Studios Effects box. This is a Transworld Order I made about 2 weeks after Transworld. I was watching all those videos like a crackhead on a little phone video with the Mountain Dew in my hand. And they had so much awesome shit. I love Midnight Studios Effects. They jumped out at me at Transworld so much. Thank you, Peppers. They had the best, coolest stuff at Transworld of all the videos I watched. I loved all their stuff. I thought it was great. I knew I had to get me some, get my hands on it. It was beautiful. So we're going to jump into it right now. Well, we were watching the videos, and Brother Vick was at Transworld. My trio brother, Brother Vick, over at Monster Misfits. And then trio brother Dave over at the Weird Kid Show guys. We were on the Transworld videos, man. It was great. Vic was sending back pictures back and forth and stuff, and doing booth walkthroughs for us and stuff. It was great. So it took me about 2 weeks to get a hold of these people after Transworld to put in an order and inquire about some stuff. And there was some stuff I knew that I saw at Transworld on the videos that I had to have. So we're gonna see what they sent us today. All right. Almost this box was slightly got its ass whooped. Again, probably FedEx. I wasn't home when this got dropped. This big old Home Depot box. So I'm trying to be careful, and oh, what is this on top? That's pretty wild. Oh, okay, I know what that is. I almost forgot. It's been so long, I almost forgot what the hell I ordered. So, this one was the one that Brother Vick was holding up in the video for me. Oh man, everything's bagged, so that's cool. Now, it did take them about 6 months to get this order to me. I ordered 2 weeks after Transworld this year, which came early in March. So this, I believe, is their viperfish or piranha. Oh man, look at him. How freaking gnarly awesome is him. He's got great colors in him. Maybe we should put him on a plaque or something. Look at the face on that guy, man. Oh, that's freaking gnarly. He's got a lot of colors on him. He's got little gnarly nubby fins. I love the teeth. I'd love to make something like this. Looks like his fins pose a little bit. So he's latex. I think this will look great like in a swamp shack for my swamp witch or something I want to build one day. But man, look at those gnarly teeth. Oh, and those are resin. Those are resin teeth. Those are not latex. He's got some really cool eyes in him. Man, this piece is just awesome. That's crazy looking. But I believe this is their piranha or viperfish. I can't remember. It's been like 6 months since I ordered this stuff. Man, he's got sort of like some rainbow colors. Man, is that freaking awesome. At the one at Transworld they had on a stick back on the stand, because you can buy this stuff as a display versus a prop too, which is really cool. So I'm loving this. Let's keep going. Let's put the little fishy right here on the table. Thank you, Skeeter. Hold that fishy up. All right. All right, what else we got here? Oh man, I see that piece. I see this piece. Okay, let's do this one. It's close to the top. Again, so far, I'm thrilled. Midnight Studios Effects, they had an amazing booth, amazing product. Oh, they had so much cool stuff there. I wanted it all. Believe me, this box is enough to like feed a third world nation for a month, or send a kid to college, community college, not like Harvard or anything. All right, I believe this guy is Dr. Tongue, and I think I ordered him as a display. Okay, yep. So he's kind of foam filled, and maybe I'll put this guy in a body. I don't know, but check that mug out. Oh man, he's so nasty. Oh, his hair's so good. It's like so grimy. Oh, I love it. So he's foam-filled latex. He's got some silicone slobber. God, look at that face, man. He's got such a lifelike face. This guy's gonna make a great I can't do him as a groundbreaker because he's latex, but man, he is just crazy looking, man. That is so wild. Oh, that's so nasty. Man, Midnight Studios Effects, amazing. I mean, it looked great on camera, just looking at all the Transworld videos, and even better in person. Oh my god, that is so freaking cool, man. Well, Brother Vick, you know you love the zombies. Check this guy out. Look at that mug, man. Wow, that's crazy, man. All right, let me make a space for this guy. We'll keep going, so I think we got, I don't remember how many more pieces are in here. Let's start making room. Okay. Which one is this one? Oh, okay. I forgot I ordered this one. Okay. Okay, so this is still a mask, which I'll end up using as a display. And again, you all know that I love my Creature of the Black Lagoon. And this is sort of their beautiful version of it. Check him out, man. And he's even got little seaweed in him. Oh man, little matted, gnarly seaweed. Look at that face, man. Look how crazy that is. Again, the colors, the paint's beautiful, man. And he's heavy, thick latex, foam filled, so I can still go back and foam fill him some more and put him on either a display or a head or something. Although they got him cut up the back, so he's still a usable mask. But I didn't want any eye holes or anything cut, so well, you got a couple eye holes in there, so he's still a mask. But look at the beautiful paint on that thing. Like I said, they had the most amazing booth, and since I do like a swamp hunt, I always love me some fisherman masks. I'm a huge creature of the Black Lagoon. You know, I got it up on my wall over there. Just freaking cool, man. Their paint does not disappoint. Let's see this guy. Man, I think these are resin teeth too, man. That's crazy. Look at that mug. Just amazing, man. Their attention to detail is just phenomenal. Crazy looking. I think we got, what, 2 more in the box? Yeah, 2 more. All right, let me make some space, and we'll open the last 2. Okay, YouTube, let's dive in for our last 2 pieces. Now, you guys know I do a swamp witch haunt, and I've got my Zero the Witch out there. So when I saw this one, I'm just a huge fan of witches. I love old school witches. When I saw her, I thought, oh Christ, this one I gotta have too. Now this is Zelda, and she is gnarly. Look at that face, man. Boy, she's got really long hair on her too, man. Look at the eyes on her. Oh, that's freaking nuts, man. That is one creepy bitch. But we have got to make a body for her. She is just amazing, man. Like I said, their paint is phenomenal. Their work is phenomenal. Well, she's got some long hair. That's cool. And again, she is a mask that I've made as a display, so she has not slipped the back, and she has glass eyes in her, which are actually 2 different colors. One's sort of bluer, or one sort of greener, and then one sort of bluer, which is even more freaking creepy. But man, she is freaking cool, man. Damn, she looks good. That little hook nose. I just love me some classic witches, man, and she feeds right into that. Her eyebrows, oh man. I'm not going to be able to put her outside because she's latex, but we're definitely going to have to build a swamp shack for her. Man, is she freaking cool. Girl, you are just killing it, girl. Warty, oh man, they glossed up her mouth, her little gnarly teeth sticking out. Man, that's crazy. Alright guys, we find a place for Zelda. Put her on the table. You gonna sit still, Zelda? Play nice? Alright. Alright guys, here's our last piece. Here was another one that was right front and center on the table. I thought it was the Ninja Wolf. I wasn't sure what it was. When I contacted them, she was like, oh no, that's a new piece we have coming out. So I said, I got to have you one of those. And again, I am an old school monster freak. I love my vampires, my werewolves, my mummies, my witches. Kind of an old school classic monster guy. When I saw this guy, I thought, man, I've got to have one of those. Man, it's already heavy as hell. Oh my God. That is some serious prop right there. Let's just get rid of the box. I'm gonna stick my hand in there. Come on now. Alright. Big bag, big ears. This thing is huge, man. Look at that. Oh man, that is some serious ass werewolf. Wow, check that bad boy out. And again, I ordered it as a display, so there are glass eyes in it, I believe, or painted eyes. I didn't want any holes in the mask, but man, look at that. That is some serious werewolf. I mean, you could literally mount it on a plaque and stick it on the wall. That thing is ready to go. All kinds of hair. Man, they did not skimp on the hair, that's for sure. Look at that face, man. Nice stretched out mouth. You got a little goatee on the bottom. That is just beautiful, man. Wow. Again, they did not disappoint. Look at that face, man. Now you guys see my werewolf plaque, Wolfie? This thing is just about like that. Man, he's got, again, I think resin fangs. Man, that is nuts, man. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to stick this guy on a wall or something or make a whole display for him. He's just crazy looking. Mouth is nice and glossy. And this thing must weigh, Jesus Christ, 5 pounds. That is insane, man. Midnight Studios effects. This is my first order and definitely not my last ever seeing this, guys. Their quality is phenomenal. Let me set this stuff up, man, and then we'll just take a closer look at it. Super cool. Wow. Okay, YouTube, so it is the following day, and this is the day that the train comes off the damn tracks. So I took Wolfie into work with me this morning to blow off all the excess hair. Anytime you have this much synthetic hair on a wig or a prop, I always give it a good blow off the next day to get rid of any loose fibers because they constantly shed. So I wanted to get rid of all that. And in doing so, when I took him in, I was kind of checking him out, getting a good look at him, and I started seeing flaws. So on the top of his nose and his eyes, he's got a bunch of pinholes, and not like 2 or 3, he's got a rash of them. So I thought, oh man, that's nuts, man, that's a lot. And then I noticed he had a tear behind his right canine. So I went ahead and I used some 5-minute epoxy and closed the flap, and then I noticed that his tooth was loose. So I thought, well, what the hell, man? I pulled the tooth out, glued the tooth back in. And then I noticed on this side there was some glue here. I didn't know if I was missing a tooth or if there were supposed to be 2 teeth or why the teeth were in different positions. So I thought, well, son of a bitch, I don't know what the hell is going on with this guy's mouth here. And I don't mind that the fangs are in different positions. I think that's kind of cool and creepy. I was fine with that. But I also noticed that in his tongue, there's a split. This is a latex insert down here for his mouth, his tongue, and his teeth. And I don't know why they didn't cover that or hide it or, you know, put some fake blood on it or something like that. But I can see foam down in there. So over time, this is going to get water down into the foam, and it may start coming apart. And then I also noticed on all his teeth down here, this latex appliance, when they poured it before they glued it in, must have had pinholes or air bubbles in the top of the teeth, so I have little dishes in every single tooth. There's no round over, at least. I don't mind there not being a point, but at least like a round over. So I thought, man, there's just a ton of issues with this guy. And I thought, you know what? Let me check with a buddy of mine. He's a pro special effects artist. And I asked him, I said, dude, am I being unreasonable? Here's the pictures of all this stuff. What do you think? And he's like, no, man, you've got some legitimate gripes. Contact the company. So I did. I'm not a mask maker, you know, by any means. I want to one day. That's why this year when I saw all the Transworld videos, I thought Midnight Studios Effects had the best mask. They had the best table. I want to learn from the best because I want to make the best. And I was just shocked and kind of surprised when I started looking at him closer and saw the whole mess that this guy really was, which is really kind of a sad shame. So then I got worried, like, man, when I get home, I better check out the rest of them pieces. It was late when we did the unboxing last night. I got everything out on a wrap, went to bed, took Wolfie in this morning, found that. So I noticed on the piranha fish, which I really love, it's a great sculpt, it's cool. When I got home and took a closer look at it, this guy is covered in pinholes. There is a rash of holes. He's got a steel bar of some kind sticking out right here that was obviously meant for, I don't know, to hold the fin down or to shape him or something. I mean, there's almost no foam or latex or whatever they did here. It's a cool looking fish. The mouth looks great, the teeth looks great, but again, he's so full of holes, he looks like Swiss cheese. I did reach out to the company. I reached out and they got back with me within like 2 hours, which is great. So in their defense, man, they've got great customer service. They get back to you. I sent a text saying, hey, I'm looking over my parts. I'm having some issues. And they said the fish was more of a prehistoric sculpt, so it's okay for him to be ragged. Vic showed me this. Brother Vick at Monster Misfits showed me this exact fish, not this specific one, but this model at Transworld. And I asked him, I said, hey, man, was that thing full of like a rash of holes? He said, no, man, it wasn't like that. So they said it was more of a prehistoric thing, and I can kind of buy that, but at the same token, when you guys sculpted it, did it look like this? Did it have all these holes in there? I don't think so. I don't really buy it. Again, sad because it's such a cool fish, cool design, just kind of weakly executed. Maybe it was a rush thing. I did wait. I was told when I ordered this stuff at the end of March, beginning of April, I was looking about 4 months. I didn't care if 4 months, fine, as long as I get it before Halloween. 7 months later, here we are. We've got 10 days till Halloween, 11 days till Halloween, and I can't use any of this stuff. The fish guy, the viper fish, he's already got seaweed hanging off him. I did order this as a display, not a mask, so they went ahead and cut holes in, which would be fine, but you guys, I wear glasses. I don't order masks that I can put on my head. I don't wear masks. So I know I ordered this guy as a display, and I didn't have any kind of invoice sheet in the box that I usually would throw out anyways to reference what I ordered back at the end of March. So the guy looks great, but then again, I can't put him on display. He's got holes for eyes. If I foam fill him, he's going to leak out all over the place, and he's made for an actor to wear. Plus this big giant tea light hole or whatever's in there, I don't know. So I was really shocked when I started looking at that too, like, oh man, so I'm down like, you know, 3 out of 4. I'm batting 1,000 for crap, that's for sure. I did notice on my witch, on Zelda, minor stuff. I don't mind minor stuff. She's got a kind of another blot in her cheek, but you know, whatever. She's gonna have some, you know, some divots on her face like Ever James almost. I'm cool with that. She's a witch. She's supposed to be ugly. But she's got this big patch on her chin. I don't know what the hell it is. They didn't, you know, shave it down or felt wheel it down, whatever, but I'll sand it down myself. So I have something to salvage out of this whole ordeal. I looked at the zombie. Mr. Tongue, he's okay. Oh, see, we're already shedding. I gotta take her in the morning. Oh, Zelda, what are you doing to me? Okay. So, really, guys, you know, it's kind of it's disappointing, man. You know, you're talking a lot of money here, probably close to $1,500 in props. I get to keep 2 out of 5. To their credit, they did back it up, and they said, hey, you know, just send us the stuff you don't want. We'll remake the stuff, but now I'm down time. Not going to be here for Halloween. I got to box it up and ship it back to an unknown time frame, pay the shipping, box it up, get in the car, you know, go fight with the UPS or FedEx or whoever the hell is going to ship this back to them. But I just wanted to keep it real with you guys. Tell them, hey, it's not always a win here, man. I have real problems too. I run into the same stuff you guys do. But you know, they wanted to offer me a free fish, and I said, I don't want anything free. I pay for my own stuff. I'll pay for the props. I just want what I paid for. You know, I've had companies contact me for the channel here and try and give me projectors and gothic jewelry and inflatables. I just say no to that garbage, dude. We don't do that here. We're not that kind of channel. I don't have my hands out contacting companies all the time saying, hey, can you send me something for free and I'll do a video? That shit don't fly here, man. If somebody sends us something because they love what we do, then that's cool. Or if a cool company comes along that has something to offer all of us, hey, that's great, I'll share it. But, you know, some of this stuff is just, you know, it's a fail, man. So I'm kind of disappointed. I don't know what I'm going to do other than send these guys back. I'm going to keep Zelda. I'll fix her. It's minor stuff. You know, that's why I said I just wanted to make sure and contacting a special effects guy and say, man, am I being a little nitpicky bitch? Like, is this stuff that normally flies that's okay? You know, I'll tell you though, it lights a fire into my ass. So when I do get around to making masks, I'm going to put the best shit out, man. I'm going to make sure my stuff is on fire and it's quality before I put it in anybody's hands. I get that you're a company that, you know, you had a big Transworld, and that's great, man. I always try and support small business and show the love and spread your work. But when there's a fail, man, there's a fail, guys. I got to keep it real to you guys. So, you know, I'm sorry about this one. Hopefully in the undetermined future, there'll be a follow-up video to this or something. But as far as Midnight Studio Effects goes, to their credit, they got back to me fast. They are willing to do remakes for me of the 3 products that I can't use, which is great. To their credit, they're going to back up their work. What will I get back? I don't know. So maybe in the future I'll do a follow-up video, but again, anybody who's going to buy from Midnight Studios Effects, you know, don't expect by a certain time, and don't expect high quality. I'm going to leave this as a buyer beware. They make a lot of beautiful stuff. Everything they had at Transworld looked beautiful that I saw on video and from what Brother Vick said. So, guys, for now, I would steer clear of them or give them some time to get caught up from Transworld or work through their issues. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm just going to take the hit, man. I got to take the hit and roll with it. So we're going to keep on moving. Buyer beware. I thank you guys for watching and putting up with me. And, you know, we just got to, goose egg on this one. What can I say? I got to keep Zelda, so that's how I'm happy about her. I can maybe start building her a body or something for next year. So I get to keep 2 out of 5, and the rest has got to go back. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate this. Steer clear. I just always want to warn you guys if I don't like what I see, and I got to keep it real, man, at all costs and all expenses. It don't matter to me. The truth's the truth. I got to let you guys have it. So that's it, man. Go check out my brothers in a Trio of Terror. Go see Vic over at Monster Misfits and Dave at the Weird Kid Show, guys. It's Halloween for us year-round, and we're always looking forward to bringing you guys projects, and we want to see your guys' projects and what you're working on. So if you guys are building stuff or you guys are doing mask hauls, man, hey, come to Cobwebs and Candlesticks on Facebook. Show me what you're building, show your projects, ask questions, join the Haunt fam, and get involved in everything we got going on. So until I see you guys again, man, keep it evil. Thanks for watching. Ooh. Hey girl, what's your name? You from around here? Mm-hmm.